Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Arbitrum update. In this video, we'll talk about some of the technicals of Arbitrum right now, which I think are quite interesting. We have come, yesterday we had a fake out in the end. I was wrong about that, but more about that later. We'll do a quick recap. But apart from that, there are also some fundamentals I wanted to talk about and perhaps a view on recent events. That is new, and that could provide some bearish momentum actually. So we'll talk about that as well. We'll start with that. But before we get into the rest of the video, if you want to receive daily trading signals by me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join the trading signal group, which has been very profitable so far. But you can also check out the trade results in those groups as well. So onto the video. So the thing first to start off with a brief recap, I said yesterday that I thought that after breaking above this level between 1.75 and 1.72, I thought if we could hold that we would have successfully had a bullish breakout and that we could continue up to 1.9. In the end, was not that successful of a bullish breakout. On the 1 hour time frame, it does look like it. On the 4 hour time frame, it's more like a fake out, as you can see. So I was wrong about that. There was a little bit more bearish pressure in the market than I expected. You can see that also yesterday evening that was there. But apart from that, and that is the thing that happened yesterday as well, they're rolling out that airdrop for the DAOs. So a percentage of the token distribution, or a percentage of the token supply, I should say, was destined for DAOs, so decentralized autonomous organizations that helped the Arbitrum ecosystem, right? So for example, I think Lido DAO was one of those. So they will actually still get that airdrop. Now, when they get that airdrop, what that does, obviously, is it increases the circulating supply, because that airdrop has not been, at least according to what I read, has not been distributed yet. Now, what are those DAOs are going to do is probably spend that Arbitrum. So that causes quite a lot of selling pressure, especially when you think that it's about 1.13% of all the tokens. Now, that might not sound like a lot, but it is a lot. That's what is it? It's like 100 million. The total distribution is 10 billion. So 100 million, a little bit more, 130 million. So that's still coming into the markets, which could provide some bearish momentum, some selling pressure. Apart from that, I also think that Ethereum right now is experiencing some bearish momentum, which we all know the correlation between Arbitrum and Ethereum. So altogether, I think that right now we're actually going to test our main support level at 1.6. And I am not sure if we can hold it. I think we're going to drop down there. I think we'll hold it initially, but we would really need to hold it, I think, for the next like 24 hours for me to believe that it's strong enough to hold us and strong enough to get us up to our main resistance level at 1.72. But for now, even if we are able to do that for the next 24 hours, I would say that we are more in a consolidation than an uptrend or a downtrend. All right, so that is, I think, the most likely scenario, but I do want to let you know that with that bearish pressure coming from Ethereum, and perhaps also from this news and just the general airdrop as well, there's this chance in the next 24 hours that we will drop down to 1.6. I think we'll find support there either way, but that we will afterwards drop down there. And if 1.6 breaks, we'll drop down to 1.53, and after that down to 1.5. So that's a possibility now. I do not think it's the most likely scenario, but I did want to warn you and kind of tell you about that possibility, so that you can trade and adjust your positions accordingly. But that's my take on Arbitrum for now. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.